So this is a very cool piece of tapestry. It is a mermaid on the moon. Lots of color. Very cool. Material is really light. This is very, very cool. I really like this. This is not where this is going, but I just want to show you on a wall that has nothing on it. This is going on a wall that has a lot of stuff on it, so I wanted to show you by itself. And I do not have a black light or fluorescent lights in here. I'm going to shut this light off, and the light from the other room, it glows. So with black light, fluorescent lights, those colors are really going to pop out. And that is just me shutting off the laundry room light, and I have the light from the kitchen on. So very, very cool. I really like this piece. I hope you do too. And I hope that this helps. And I hope that you enjoy your day.